My face is burning. My face is burning. I don't know. Oh, it's... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our new Boxy charm for the month of July. Anyway, before we start the video, I do want to say thank you to everyone who participated in the giveaway on Instagram and here on YouTube. So many people actually appreciated the giveaway and liked the products that I put inside of the giveaway. So again, thank you, and I will definitely do another one eventually, not yet. But anyway, if you want to see what's in my Boxy charm, please keep watching. So we have our Boxy charm for July 2021. And we have our little card here that says the theme is a fantasy. We got 5 products. Unfortunately, I can only use 3 of the products on my face today, but I'm excited to try the other 2 products eventually. I have foundation on, I have lipstick on, I have like mascara and whatever else. The first product we have here is the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. This plant-based formula stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy growth, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. Okay, so this retails for $79 US. That's a lot of money. That's 3 of these boxes in US. That's crazy. So this is what the product looks like. I am very excited to try this. I mean, I don't really have itchy or dry scalp, but I feel like a hair serum's a hair serum and it might be nice. Anyway, next product that we can't use today because I already have foundation on, didn't think about this. But the next product is Mud Masky. How you pronounce it? Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Who doesn't love an eye serum? This eye serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, the serum is ideal for all skin types. Okay, so who doesn't love vitamin C, number 1? Who doesn't love an eye serum? All of that sounds great to me. So this retails for $63 US. What the heck? So I will be trying this and I'm really excited to try it actually. We have Billion Dollar Brows, which I have never heard of. It is a brow pencil. This is the shade Taupe. I hope Taupe is dark enough for my brows. I mean, I'll use it anyway just to see how it works, but like, hopefully it works. The precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with a color you want and can create hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow. So this retails for $16 US. So anyway, comes with a little, you know, this thingy, the little spoolie on the back, a little brush. I love that. I will not buy okay, Cass, stop talking so fast. I will not buy a brow pencil without it, I'll be honest. Oh, this is a very micro tip like brow pencil, not mad. It's definitely darker than I thought it would be. Like if you look at the package, it says like taupe and it shows like this like goldy color. So I was expecting like a light color, but like it's actually pretty dark. So this might just work out for me. Oh, I like how thin. Okay, so micro tip is a yes for me. I do like how thin this is, and it's not like super creamy that it's like falling off like the brow. I like that. And it's not super stiff either, which is nice. Okay, that's actually really nice and very natural. Like it literally claims that you're gonna have a natural brow from it. I have a natural brow from it, so I like it. I like it a lot. I like this brow pencil. This is a good one. It's very precise and it did give me a really natural like stroke-like finish. Honestly though, I probably would have gone just a pinch of a shade darker for me if they had a shade up, but that's not what we're talking about. We're not judging the shade because it is a pretty good shade, so I can't really complain. But like, would I go a little bit darker? Maybe, because I have really dark brows. But I love how it turned into like hair-like strokes. The pencil is very easy to work with. It glides on really nicely without like being too stiff or too creamy to the point that it just wipes off and smudges everywhere. So I really, honestly, this is a good thing that came in this box. Like I'm actually very happy with this. Next we have Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. So this is the little palette that comes with it. It says, add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complexion trio. Designed with skin tone and skincare in mind. They are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish. Vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, everything in that description, give it to me. I love it. I want it. I want it forever. I need it. So this retails for $25 US. So the coolest thing about this and why I'm so excited about this is I've been dying to try Alamar Cosmetics. I really have. I see a lot of Kathleen Light's videos and she like preaches Alamar Cosmetics. I'm excited. I'm really hoping that this is gonna, you know, live up to the hype because I really want this. I trust everything Kathleen says. Oh, okay, I broke it. So this is our little palette. So this is supposed to illuminate under the eyes. This is supposed to, hold on, warmth to the perimeter of the face, and this is to like deepen it. So we're gonna actually go with the way that they're doing it on here. So I'm gonna use their little mirror thing too. So I'm gonna start with the middle shade called Pale Wear. So this glides on really nicely. I'm just gonna continue doing the perimeter of the face. This is very buttery and smooth. Kathleen never does me dirty, let me tell you. Okay, I love this so far. I'm happy with this. I'm so excited I got this. Now we're gonna go into the deeper shade. Oh, there it is. There it is. Now I'm gonna take this brightening shade over here and I'm gonna put it under the eye like it says to illuminate the under eye area. Oh, I do see a difference actually. It's brightening up my under eye really. It's not a highlighter, I wouldn't say, because it's not very like illuminating, like it doesn't have like a highlighter finish. It's very subtle. It's very, very subtle. But I do see like the illuminating effect happening. Like I see it on the center of my face, which is where I'm really applying it. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Anyway, on to the next. The last product we have in the box is Grande Cosmetics, a plumping liquid highlighter infused with rapid skin lifting system, Vin Uplift, to firm and tighten fine lines. This pearlescent formula provides the plumping and moisturizing power to give your skin a radiant, luminescent glow. This retails for $25 US. So this is a liquid highlighter. We're just gonna open that up. And I got my beauty sponge here. Don't mind it's a little dirty because I literally just put my makeup on with it. Oh, look at that unique looking brush. Maybe we'll do the hand first. I just don't think it's a good idea to just apply to the face. I'm scared of it. So I am just going to put my beauty sponge in there. Whoa, only see me from the stars or don't talk to me. Nothing? Boom. Oh, love this. One of the things I'm really liking about this, I find with a lot of liquid highlighters, it's like do or die. If you put too much, it's the end of the world. Like you're done. You're done. Like there's nothing else you can do to fix that. Well, you can fix it, but like not nicely. Like it just gets muddy and gross after. But this, it's very buildable. Like I'm putting a good amount. Like if you look at my, okay, you can't even tell. But like on my sponge, I'm putting a good amount and applying directly to the face. And honestly, it looks like it's a chunk going on, but then as soon as it blends out so beautifully, it goes on like not harsh. Like it's not too much. It's the perfect amount of highlighter. Everybody take a look at my beautifully contoured, highlighted, stunning, adorable face. What do we think? Let me know what you think in the comments. I do want to say this month's box was killer. I love everything in this box. I haven't used the hair serum yet or the under eye like serum, but I have a feeling that under eye serum is going to be amazing. And everything else I tried is amazing. The liquid highlighter, also amazing. The Alamar Cosmetics palette, I was so excited to try them and I'm so excited. It turned out so pretty. I love the way it framed my face. I love, love, love. So now let's figure out how much this box costs. Let's be honest here. I want to know. I need to know. Let's get our calculators out. 25 plus 79. I still can't believe that's $79. Plus 63 plus 25 plus 16. This box is worth $208 US. Let's Canadianize this right now. This equals to $261.34 Canadian. That's a lot of money. I didn't pay that much for this box. I mean, I got mine as a gift. Won't lie, told you that already. When I continue buying the box, because I have a feeling I'm going to continue because I love it, it's worth it. You're getting more than you pay for. It's crazy. This box, so worth it, so good, so excited with the stuff that came in, so happy with the stuff that came in. And if you like videos like this and you want to see more like this, more BoxyCharm, more hauls, more product reviews, more tutorials, subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to see. I want to know. I want to know it all. I love to hear from you. So, as always, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.